Okay, 2004 Infiniti fx35 with 157,000 miles. Now this is an oddball. You don't see many of these. Check out the exhaust on this thing, man. Those are some huge twin pipes. I mean, God, stick my fist in there. Tennessee fan, obviously. But it's got nearly a new set of Goodyear tires on it. And the old body's pretty straight. Yeah, this thing looks, I mean, the inside, the back seat area, you know, the leather's held up well, the headliner's held up well, but the sun has been a little relentless on the front, especially on the dash. Look at all the bubbling. Good grief. All the bubbling on the dash. And this driver's seat has seen better days. It's a little cracked up. But let's see how she sounds. Let's see what this thing. I've never driven one of these. Oh man, this seat feels good. Look at this. Man, look at this pod. Fancy. Got a little belt squeal. And got some belt squeal. That must be the AC compressor. Hey, look over here. Draw some attention to me. Good grief. No radio. Auto up window. Man, this thing actually, this is like a driver's SUV. You can really tell. Look at these seats with all them. Man, it's got some lumbar and some airbags and balloons and man, got all kinds of adjustments. This thing's pretty cool. I remember when these first came out, I thought, what is that awful, ugly thing? But I think I may get it because this thing feels like this feels like a 350Z is exactly what it feels like. The steering is very stiff, firm. It's got a firm ride. I mean, did you see how big those wheels were? We'll look and see what size those are again. I'm not real sure. Roll down the other window too. Got a sunroof. Oh, look at the radio antenna right there. That's pretty crazy. No check engine lights. It's got a flashing airbag light. That's pretty common, pretty typical for this vintage of Japanese automobile. But man, it shifts and runs pretty darn good. It really does. Man, I bet this thing will sell for cheap tomorrow because people are going to see this interior, this dash, and they're going to be so turned off. Holy cow. Yeah, it's quick. It's got some go. It takes just a second for it to get going, but when it does, man, it rips. Let's see if it's an FX35. I guess it's just Nissan's 3.5 V6, I imagine, from the time. I know they made an FX45 of this that was a V8, and it really was a hoss. But this one's not bad. Sounds good. Sounds real good. Man, and just tight as a drum. Great steering. Nice firm ride. Yeah, this thing is really pretty cool. Got the Infiniti clock down there. Man, we got buttons everywhere. Got a snow mode. I gotta see. These wheels are freaking huge. What size are these things? Goodyear Forterra. 20s. These are 20s. Dubs. Golly. No. Right? Is that dubs? 20s are called dubs, or is that 22s? Anyway, those Goodyear tires are almost new on this thing, all the way around. There's $1,000 worth of tires on this thing. Runs really, really well. It's got just a slight lifter tick though, but I bet you it's been doing that for 10 years. Maybe you could change the weight, put a heavier weight oil in it or something. That might solve that. I like this. This is really cool. Hear that exhaust? Sounds pretty mean. I like it. I like it. Pretty good cargo space, not bad. Got to get some of these decals off. Salt Life, Blue Water Ropes, Fox Racing. Yeah, I have to get some of that crap off there. Clean it up real good. I don't know if you could do something with this. Oh man, it's sticky to the touch. Yeah, it's actually like tacky, sticky. I'm gonna have to wash my hands. But what a neat vehicle. This is really cool, man. It's got good get up and go, good power. I like it. Infiniti fx35 with 157,000 miles, 2004. We'll follow this one for sure tomorrow at the auction. We'll see you later. Peace.